Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Are you ready to crush your gym goals without getting sidelined by injuries? Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, injuries can derail your progress and set you back weeks, or even months. Today, we're diving into the essential tips to prevent common gym injuries so you can stay safe, stay strong, and keep smashing those fitness goals. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to work out smarter, not just harder. Segment 1, Warm Up and Cool Down. First things first, warming up is non-negotiable. Think of your body as a car on a cold morning. It needs to warm up before you hit the gas. A good warm-up prepares your muscles, increases blood flow, and reduces the risk of strains and pulls. And don't forget the cool down. After an intense workout, your heart rate is elevated, and your muscles are tight. Stretching post-workout helps prevent stiffness, improves flexibility, and aids recovery. Segment 2, Proper Form and Technique. Now, let's talk about technique. The most common injuries happen when you use improper form. Sure, lifting heavy weights looks cool, but lifting them wrong? Not so much. 1. Squats, proper stance, feet shoulder width apart. Engage your core and keep your chest up. Avoid letting your knees cave in or your back round. 2. Deadlifts, maintain a straight back. Hinge at your hips, not your waist. Grip the bar properly and lift with your legs, not your back. 3. Bench press, keep your feet flat on the ground. Lower the bar to your chest with control. Avoid flaring your elbows out too much. When in doubt, ask for help. A trainer or gym buddy can help correct your form and prevent injuries. Segment 3, Listen to your body. Your body is always talking to you. Are you listening? Pain is your body's way of saying something isn't right. Ignoring it could turn a small issue into a major injury. Learn the difference between muscle fatigue and sharp pain. Don't push through joint pain or discomfort. Rest when you feel overly fatigued or notice signs of overtraining, e.g., prolonged soreness, decreased performance, or trouble sleeping. Segment 4, Progressive Overload and Recovery. Progressive overload is key to building strength, but increasing your weight too quickly is a recipe for injury. Slow and steady wins the race. Increase weights by 5 to 10% only when you're confident in your form. Incorporate deload weeks to reduce intensity and allow recovery. Focus on quality over quantity, better to lift lighter weights with proper form than heavy weights improperly. And let's not forget recovery. This is where the magic happens, your muscles repair, rebuild, and grow stronger. Get enough sleep, 7 to 9 hours per night. Hydrate and eat a balanced diet with plenty of protein. Use tools like foam rollers or massage guns to relieve tension. Segment 5, Avoid common mistakes. Now let's look at some common gym mistakes and how to avoid them. 1. Skipping warm UPS leads to cold, stiff muscles prone to injury. 2. Neglecting smaller muscle groups, weak stabilizer muscles can lead to imbalances and injuries. 3. Overloading too quickly causes strain on joints and tendons. 4. Ignoring equipment safety, always check for loose weights or faulty machines. 5. Training without rest days, overtraining leads to burnout and injury. Remember, a well-rounded routine that includes strength, cardio, and flexibility training is the best way to prevent injuries and stay balanced. Segment 6, When to seek professional help. If you do get injured, don't ignore it. Minor injuries can become major problems if left untreated. Seek professional help from a doctor, physical therapist, or chiropractor if you experience persistent pain lasting more than a few days. Swelling, bruising, or difficulty moving a joint. Sudden sharp pain during a workout. And there you have it. By warming up, using proper form, listening to your body, and avoiding common mistakes, you can drastically reduce your chances of getting injured at the gym. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more fitness tips, and share this video with your workout buddies. Let's build a strong, injury-free fitness community together. Drop a comment below, what's your biggest challenge when it comes to staying injury-free? I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.